Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to assign a failover SIP trunk to inbound and outbound rules in the 3CX Management Console. If you haven't already set up a SIP trunk, check out our video on 3CX IP authentication to see how to set one up. The video demonstrates how to create an IP-based SIP trunk. Check out our 3CX trunk configuration video if you want to see a registration-based SIP trunk configuration. First, you'll need to create 3CX inbound rules for your failover SIP trunk. Click on the Inbound Rules tab in the 3CX Management Console. Click on the Add DID Rule button. Fill in the same information as your main SIP trunk. The only difference will be the DID/DDI field. Select the main trunk number of your failover SIP trunk from the dropdown. Click on OK when you're finished. Once you're done creating the inbound rules, click on the Outbound Rules tab. You'll now add the IP trunk as a failover in the outbound rules. Click on or create an outbound rule. In our example, we already have outbound rules set up. Click on an outbound rule, then scroll down to Route to and select Voxtelesys IP from the dropdown. Do this for any other outbound rule you'd like to apply the failover to. Scroll up and click on OK when you're finished. Congratulations! You've successfully assigned a failover SIP trunk to inbound and outbound rules in 3CX. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.